Welcome. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to view someone's Instagram QR code, updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you want to connect with friends, share profiles, or make it easier for others to find you, QR codes are a super handy feature on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once you're in, head over to the profile of the account you want to view. You can do this by searching for their username or tapping on their profile from your feed or messages. Now that you're on their profile page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. These dots are your gateway to more options for that profile. Go ahead and tap on them. A menu will pop up with several choices. From here, simply tap on the option labeled QR code. Instantly, you'll see a unique QR code generated for that profile. This code can be scanned by anyone using the Instagram app, making it a quick way to follow or share profiles without typing out usernames. You can use this QR code in a variety of ways. If you want to share it, just take a screenshot, or use the share feature built into Instagram. If you're with someone in person, they can scan your code directly from your screen. It's a fast and secure way to connect on Instagram, whether you're networking, making new friends, or just want to make it easier for others to find your profile. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can view and share anyone's Instagram QR code. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting on Instagram.